Hello everyone, welcome to another video. For those who are new to this channel, my name's Fran and I make videos with the Sunnybank Trust every week. For those who don't know, the Sunnybank Trust is a charity for people with learning disabilities and autism. And this week's theme is, of course, Mother's Day. So we're going to be making this lovely little pot of flowers. Let's get started. For this activity, you will need some scissors and some glue, 3 craft sticks and some tape, some bright coloured card and some brown card. You will also need a green crayon. We've got 2 templates today, so find the link in the caption below. As always, you have the option to print your template or trace your template from your laptop screen. If you're tracing your template, you'll need a laptop screen, some paper and a pencil. Here's how we do it. Turn your brightness up to 100% and place your paper on top of your screen. Gently trace in pencil around the outline of your template. Now we're on to the second template. Place your paper on top, turn the brightness up and trace around the outline of your petal shape. Using your scissors, cut out your templates. Start applying glue to your plant pot template all over. Place your plant pot template onto your orange or brown card. We're going to leave this to dry now, but we're going to come back to it later. Take out your template and your bright coloured card. We're going to draw around our petal shape 9 times. Using your scissors, cut out all your petal shapes. We're going to need 6 petals for this next part. You can keep the other 3 petals to one side. Take each of your 6 petals and fold them in half, vertically. Keep all your folded petals to one side. Now back to our orangey brown card. Cut out around the outline of your template plant pot. Take out your 3 craft sticks and your green crayon. begin colouring in the craft sticks with your green crayon. Take out your plant pot shape and we're going to place it on the white template side. Get your 3 craft sticks and evenly place them at the top of your plant pot. Make sure there's a good amount of space in between the 3 craft sticks. Now we're going to take out our sellotape and stick them to the inside of the plant pot. Apply your glue to the inside of your plant pot, all over. Fold over your plant pot shape so that the 2 edges meet. Now we're going to take out our glue and apply a blob of glue to each craft stick at the top. Take out your 3 flat petals from earlier on and stick one to each craft stick at the top. You can pat them down to make sure that they're stuck on properly. For this next part, you're going to need all your folded petals. Group together 3 of your folded petals and place them to one side. Make sure the fold of each of these petals is facing the right. Now we're going to create a second group of folded petals and we're going to place them fold facing the left. We're going to need these 2 groups for the next part. We're going to take our right side group first and apply glue to the backs of them. Then we're going to place them down on the right hand side of each of our flat petals. Let's keep going. Now we've done our right hand sides, we're going to do the left hand side petals. Apply glue to the backs and start sticking them on to complete the flower shapes. I hope you enjoyed learning how to make a pot of flowers for Mother's Day. Email us at info@sunnybanktrust.org to share your photos from today's craft.